Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're doing something a little different. If you love buffalo chicken and you love pasta, you are going to love this recipe. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by preparing our veggies. And for the jalapenos, you can leave the seeds in or you can remove them after slicing them. After preparing your veggies, go ahead and set them aside. Now it's time to prepare our chicken. And I am using chicken breast for this recipe, and I am going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. What I like to do with my chicken breast, I like to go in and remove this part because it is kind of chewy if you leave it on there. So now it's time to season our chicken with some chicken bouillon, black pepper, Creole seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now go ahead and give that a mix. This is how my chicken is looking after seasoning it. And guys, make sure your chicken is well seasoned for this recipe. Now in a large skillet over medium heat, I am going to add my oil. After our oil has gotten nice and hot, I am going to add my chicken. And we're going to cook our chicken for about 8 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, I am going to get started with my pasta. I have some water that's boiling in here, and I am going to add my pasta to it and follow the direction that is on the box. For today's recipe, I am using rotini pasta, but feel free to use whatever pasta your heart desires. So I am going to allow this to boil and cook. Now back to my chicken, I am just going to flip them. And this is after 4 minutes. And then I am going to allow them to cook for another 4 minutes. After 8 minutes, I am going to add my garlic, my bell pepper and onion. And I'm going to give that a stir. Add my jalapeno. And I'm going to allow this to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am going to add some W sauce. Now add your hot sauce. Now add your heavy whipping cream. Now go in with your Parmesan cheese. Give that a stir. Now go ahead and turn the heat down to low. And we're going to simmer this for about 3 minutes. While we wait for our chicken to simmer, we are going to check on our pasta to see if it's done cooking. And it is perfect. Now I am going to drain this. After 3 minutes, this is how my chicken is looking. That looks great. Now I am going to add my pasta. Now give that a mix. And guys, so make sure you go in and taste your pasta to make sure that it tastes good and that it doesn't need any additional seasoning. I did went and taste mine. Mine tastes perfect. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my buffalo chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I am just going to sprinkle a little bit of hot sauce on this before digging in. This dish, guys, is absolutely delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.